What's up, everybody? It's Noel, and today I will be replacing the old circle pad, which looks black, into a blue circle pad. Why is it black? Because the gray rubber came off. So like, let's say if your old 3DS or new 3DS circle pad gray rubber is coming off, then it's time to replace a brand new circle pad. And the color we're going to be using is the blue one. I have the green one, which I'll be using it on my new XL if something happens to it. So we're just going to stick the blue one onto this Japanese blue modded original 3DS, which will look perfect. Now, where to buy these? You can either buy it from Amazon, but I would suggest buying it from AliExpress. Reason for this is because it's much cheaper. If you go to Amazon, it will cost you more. So just make sure you save some money if you want to buy it from AliExpress. But keep in mind, they will take a long time to get it delivered to your house, so you have to be really patient. Otherwise, if you want to get it like sooner, then just go to Amazon. Now let's go ahead and close it. And I have this drawer rest screwdriver here. This is basically the cheaper screwdriver from the iFixit. If you're wondering where did I get this, I'll put the link in the description down below. And make sure you unscrew the back. Also, I forgot, take out the game card, the stylus, and the SD card. Go ahead and take out the battery. All right. I would suggest make sure you have a container with you so that you could put all your screws separate, so you don't mix things up. If I can focus. Go ahead and take out all the screws from this piece, and you got an extra serial number. Put the screws in the container. Let's zoom out real quick. This one's a small screw, so I'll put that to the side. I think this one is small. Make sure you separate the screws so you don't mix things up. Because if you mix things up, then you'll mess it up, and you'll have a hard time finding out what screw goes in together. I hope I don't strip out the screws. Let me see. Okay. Just be careful. Use the right screwdriver because you don't want to strip the screws. Otherwise, if you tend to strip the screws, then you have to break the piece to get it out. I know there's a lot, but just be very patient because I know this is the original 3DS. Just want to make sure if I don't see any screws. Okay, I gotta get the rest. Start with that. Is there any left? Okay, 2 more to go. The last one. Once you get all the screws out, and go ahead, be very careful. There is a ribbon cable that you need to detach. Okay, I hope I don't break it. If I accidentally did, then I'll have to buy a brand new shoulder button cable. Now you don't have to take everything out, just this area over here. Zooming in. Now be very careful, don't mess things up when repairing your Nintendo 3DS system. If you accidentally break something, I'm not responsible for it. Let's go ahead and get this cable out. Oh. Okay. Get that out. Just be very careful. You don't want to break the latch. So here's the component of the circle pad. And let's go ahead and take out the old circle pad, which we will need to take this piece out. Oh, I got it out. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get the old circle pad out. And hooray, here it is. Here's the old circle pad. I hope I don't break the latch of the ribbon cable of the circle pad. We'll throw away this one and replace it with the brand new circle pad. Again, I'm using the blue color. All you gotta do is just push it in. Oh, there you go, got it in. Now I'll go ahead and close the system. Hope I don't damage any component. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and put everything back together. Oop. Hope I don't get the phone cable out. Oh, sorry about that. Let me try to get this closed back. Sorry. Let me pause really quick. Let me stop and be right back. Sorry about that. Let me try to get this in properly. Jeez. I know it's not easy, but I'm doing my hardest. Here we go. I got it in. Now I want to make sure I don't break this latch. And I'm going to plug the circle pad cable back to its place. Hope I did this right. I hope I slide it in. Okay. Sorry about that. I know it's a struggle, but let me try to close it. Okay. I hope the circle pad works, so I gotta give it a test before I go back if there's any wrong with it. And I want to make sure it's able to push in. All right, here we go. It pushed in. Now let's go ahead and screw everything back in together and go ahead and put back the ribbon cables of the shoulder buttons. If you're able to push the circle pad into its place, make sure you screw it back in. This one's hard. Hope I push it in. Okay. Oop. All right, here we go. Now let's go ahead and close it back in. Now let me go ahead and attach a screw. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery back in, and I wanna check to see if the circle pad is working. If it's not, then I'll go back. Let's go ahead and put the battery back in. This was the SD card. And let's see. Here's a brand new circle pad. Oh, we got the Luma, okay. Just want to make sure the circle pad works. Okay, here we go. The circle pad is now working as I connect the component properly. So there you go. So that's how I repair my Nintendo 3DS circle pad. And since I did it on the old 3DS, yes, I was having a little hard time because I know it is small. So yes, I do apologize about it. But yeah, it's a simple, easy fix. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.